Welcome to Tube Atlas, a powerful PC and Mac desktop software that uncovers top trending searches as well as top performing videos and channels directly on YouTube. But that is seriously just a tiny sliver of what this incredible software can do for your business. In this video, you will also discover how to get free unlimited legal content, how to extract leads, and even reveal the estimated ad revenue for any video on YouTube. This first-to-market software packs an incredible 12 powerful built-in tools for researching data and optimizing your content on YouTube. There is nothing on the planet that contains all of these tools in one easy-to-use software application. It's no secret that YouTube is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to getting fresh new leads, customers, and product sales to your business. In fact, YouTube gets 14.3 billion visitors per month. That's more than Facebook, Wikipedia, Amazon, and Instagram. Think about that for a minute. Billions of people are searching for advice about products and services on YouTube right now. And directly from Google, 90% of people say they discover new brands and products on YouTube every single day. So the question you should be asking yourself is, am I using YouTube to its full potential in my business? Well, let me show you how Tube Atlas can uncover powerful data you can use to take advantage of YouTube marketing. Check this out. You can quickly extract hundreds of highly targeted keywords directly from YouTube, and then see the YouTube search volume index over the past year for those keywords at just a click of a button. You can even see trends across other Google properties such as web search, images, news, and even Google Shopping.